Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Gemini. We'll be picking few cards from two decks, guys, and we'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that card will answer any questions you have regarding your situation. Few more cards from the other deck, Gemini, and we'll start the reading. So these cards will relate to your career situation or your relationship. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed, and this is the Wisdom Oracle's guidance for you all, guys. So we'll open the cards now. Gemini, the Tower in reverse, Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, in your relationship with this person, you have that clear understanding, love, and you share a great compatibility. And this person wields a great power and sense of authority in your relationship because they have a deep understanding. They know what to do and they have that deep knowledge about you and about your relationship, guys. So that is the reason they act with confidence in your relationship. And maybe in your work situation, things are not going so well. You may be seeing some delays or suspensions of projects, and you may feel some kind of isolation. You may feel that you are working alone. You are the person responsible for everything. You have to make all the right decisions, and you may feel stressed because of that. So that is what I see here. Or this may be your energy with your relationship. You may feel stressed in your relationship and things may be doing well in your work. So we'll see what are these cards. We'll get a better clarity, guys. Garden, stars, man. So with these cards, I see here that this negative energy may be something to do with your work, guys, because with these cards, I feel that your person is open for romance and they are coming towards you and they love you for what you are, and they love you if you are a single person, and if you are having ideas about somebody, this person is also thinking about you, guys. So they may be coming towards you. So if you are interested in somebody new, if you are not in a relationship, if you are single, they are coming towards you. Or if you are already in a relationship, committed, this person is thinking about deepening this relationship with engagement or marriage. And this is a very positive card here, guys. So with this card, I feel that you will be overcoming that negative energies we saw earlier with your work situation, or if it is in your relationship. So whatever the negatives that you are seeing today, you will be able to overcome that, guys. That is what I see here. And you are having a good time with this person, guys. With the person you are in love with, you are going out with them, spending time with them, maybe having dinner. You are spending time with them. That is what I see here. So let us see what is this oracle's guidance message for us. Happy. The oracle's guidance message, Gemini, is that joy, contentment, and sense of fulfillment is right here, right now with us. So everything is going as it is supposed to be. So it is the time for you to enjoy this current moment, guys, with this relationship with this person. When you don't have that expectation, when you love that person just for the sake of love, you will experience joy and contentment right now. And you need to be grateful for this relationship, or if you are seeking a new relationship, you need to be happy with whatever comes your way without that expectation. When you are happy, you will attract more happiness towards you, guys. And even in your work situation, you need to be proud of the accomplishments you have made, whatever good work that you have done, whatever efforts you have taken. So, when you are happy for it, you will attract abundance and prosperity in your work, guys. So, that is the oracle's guidance for us. So, you need to have fun and be playful today. Don't take anything too seriously, not too seriously, guys. And be that light-hearted person, laugh and celebrate your day. So, when we enjoy that each and every moment of the day, we will just see miracles unfolding before us, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance for us, Gemini. And maybe this person wants to have fun with you, wants to be spending some leisure time, be playful with you guys, playing pranks and all that. So that is what I see here, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.